All right, guys, so I'm going to harvest some potatoes. As you can see right here on the ground, I already have some red potatoes harvested. I think these are, can't remember what these are. Cut it back. Boom, get that out the way. You don't have to do this part, and just kind of cut it back so I can see what I'm working with. You can see we already have one little potato right here. Some coming up, little babies. Nice size ones here. All right, got that out the way. Just go ahead and put this over here, and then we'll just dump the dirt, see what we got. Ooh, it's like a seed potato here. I think that's the seed potato. Put that over there out the way. Bag is good and dry. Another seed potato, I want to say. Woo! Look at that big boy. That's what was eating those leaves. I noticed I was getting some leaves. I don't even like to touch these things. Put it on here. I was getting some of my foliage ate, and look what I found in the bottom of my hornworm. Check. All right, guys, here's our potato harvest. We're gonna go in here in a little bit and weigh them. I want to say we used about 15 pounds of potatoes. Of course, these 4 varieties. We used this bed here, which was our main bed. We found that leaf mulch from our yard helped retain a lot of moisture. Had a lot of earthworms down in the ground as we were picking out, and also a lot of grubs. If you can see them there, they're moving around. We got 2 cups of grubs we're going to give the chickens. Here's another little bed here. This one didn't do quite as well, but it did really good. But we did find that that leaf mulch helps a whole lot. So we just plant them about 6 inches deep, 6 to 8 inches deep. Come back about a week or 2 later once they sprouted. Yeah, about a week or 2 after they sprouted, once they're like 3 or 4 inches tall, and just pack that bed full of leaf mulch, and they just shot from there. They enjoyed that leaf mulch we use from our yard, and obviously we have plenty of that because we have a lot of woods here. Tilt the camera up. A lot of woods here, so we can just get our push more with a bag on it and just get as much leaf mulch as we need. So that turned out really well. So like I said, we used about 15 pounds of potatoes. And we're gonna weigh this and see how much we got. I'm thinking, what you think?
50 pounds, 40 pounds.
My wife's saying 40 pounds. I'm gonna just say 50, but I think it's probably closer to 40. All right, we'll catch you guys back up when we weigh them.